Long ago, there was a man, but not just any man. He was a scientist who had been exposed to extreme radiation while experimenting, ultimately causing him to become very sickly and insane. He owned a junkyard which he had inherited from his father after he lost his job as a scientist, but that did not stop him from conducting his experiments. One day he decided to conduct an experiment on creating his very own parahuman. Little did he know that he get more than he bargained for when he accidentally combined chemicals from another experiment and created a superhero. The reaction between the elements of copper, arsenic, and nitrogen created
the scientist's mix caused a reaction between the compound of copper and nitrogen and the element arsenic. Her superpowers caused by these reactions gives her the ability to cause explosions, and she also has a copper-based skin, which gives her a constant shield from harm, and she also has the ability to poison her enemies with arsenic. Her ability to use arsenic also gives her the ability to shock her enemies, causing bad burns on their body. Of course, she cannot use all of these simultaneously. She constantly has her copper-based skin, but she has to determine whether or not to make a compound with the copper with either nitrogen or arsenic. These elements are shown in her appearances. Her skin is the color of the element copper. She had her torch, which exemplifies her ability to set off bombs and blow things up with nitrogen, and of course, since she is a parahuman made from a junkyard dog, she has ears and a tail. Her element of surprise is arsenic. It is not seen, but it is still a deadly weapon. And of course, along with every super being, she has her weaknesses. Nitrogen is greatly affected by bacteria that will cause her to decompose. Her copper skin will also dissolve with certain acids like hydrochloric acid. Also, arsenic is counteracted with selenium, causing her poison to be ineffective.